Most people don't realize this until it's too late. But one single, unexpected bill can be the razor-thin line between a life of peace and a sudden spiral into panic. It's that heart-stopping moment when the car breaks down, a medical emergency arises, or a crucial appliance gives out. Suddenly, your carefully balanced budget is thrown into chaos. The stress can be overwhelming, leading to sleepless nights and difficult choices that affect not just your finances, but your overall well-being. It's a feeling of being trapped, with no clear way out. But what if I told you there's a way to build a shield against this kind of financial shock? A way to reclaim your peace of mind, for good. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build that shield, a robust emergency fund. And the best part? We can do it even if you're starting with absolutely zero. I know what you might be thinking. I live paycheck to paycheck, or I have no idea where to even begin. Forget all that. We're going to bypass the complicated jargon and overwhelming advice. Instead, I'll guide you through simple, practical, and actionable steps that actually work for real people with real budgets. This isn't about financial wizardry. It's about creating a realistic plan that fits your life. This journey is about empowerment. It's about taking control and transforming your relationship with money from one of anxiety to one of confidence. Let's make your future more secure, starting today. At Sweet, simple, useful, inspiring, timely, empowering. Everything we share is designed to help you build a financially stronger version of yourself. I'm here to help you become confident with your money, one small win at a time. Here's a truth that might feel a little too close to home. A significant number of adults, hardworking people just like you, don't have even $3,000 saved for emergencies. Think about that for a moment. That's not enough to cover a sudden car repair, an unexpected medical bill, or the loss of a job. This isn't just a statistic. It's a source of constant, underlying stress for millions. It's the worry that keeps you up at night. And the most frustrating part? It's not because they're bad with money. It's because our financial education system is fundamentally broken. We're taught algebra and history, but rarely the practical skills of budgeting, saving, and investing. We're thrown into a complex financial world and expected to just figure it out. This lack of guidance is the real reason so many feel stuck in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, unable to prepare for the future. But that cycle breaks today. Right here, right now. You're going to walk away with a clear, realistic plan you can start immediately. This isn't about impossible budgets or giving up everything you enjoy. It's about simple, powerful strategies that fit into your real life. We're going to demystify the process and give you the exact steps to build that safety net, $1 at a time. Forget the confusion and the guilt. By the end of this, you will feel empowered, in control, and ready to build a more secure financial future for yourself and your family. Stories of real transformation are what fuel this community, and I want to share one that truly touched me. It's a powerful reminder that financial freedom isn't some distant, unattainable dream. It's built one small, intentional step at a time. This is the story of Sarah, a member right here in our group. Like so many of us, Sarah felt trapped in the relentless cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Every dollar was accounted for before it even hit her bank account. The constant stress of an unexpected expense, like a car repair or a medical bill, was a heavy weight on her shoulders, creating a persistent feeling of anxiety that was hard to shake. She decided to take control, starting with a simple, manageable goal. She committed to setting aside just $10 per day. It didn't seem like much at first, almost insignificant. But she was consistent, turning it into a daily ritual. Day after day, that small amount began to accumulate, proving that consistency is far more powerful than intensity. Within 6 months of this dedicated practice, she had built an emergency cushion of $6,000. This wasn't just money in the bank. It was a safety net, a buffer against the unexpected shocks of life.
For the first time, I can breathe.
Your emergency fund is a financial safety net, not for vacations or new gadgets, but for real-life surprises. Car repair, medical expenses, job loss, urgent travel, unexpected bills. Think of it as your financial shield. Start with level 1, $1,000 to $3,000. Then move to level 2, 1 month of expenses. And if you want full stability, level 3 is 3 to 6 months of expenses. Start small, grow steady, use the 30-second rule. Every time you receive money, send a small amount immediately to your emergency fund before you spend anything. You can start with $5, $10, or $20 per day. Small amounts add up fast. Use auto transfer. Set it once, forget it forever. This is the fastest, least painful path to financial security. Keep it somewhere safe and separate. A savings account, a money market fund, or a separate online bank. Just don't keep it in cash at home. Temptation destroys savings. To build your emergency fund faster, avoid impulse purchases, high-interest debt, buying things to impress people. Every small decision compounds. Comment below, I'm building my safety net. I want to see who's committed, and check our community posts. We share money boosters twice a week that actually change lives. Every week I share polls, challenges, and savings tips in the community tab. Join them. People are already saving hundreds together. A financially stable life isn't built by luck. It's built by simple, useful, inspiring, timely, empowering steps. That's the sweet way, and it works. If you found this helpful, subscribe. We have new videos and shorts every week. And check the links below for my top money booster tools. They've helped thousands boost their income. You can do this. Start today. Your future self will thank you. We publish videos and shorts every week.